Welcome back, everybody, to Like, Love, Laugh Stories with me, Stephanie. Today, we'll be reading I Am Empowered. Lift a flap, surprise on every page. Let's go. When my friends and I venture out on our own and make a new path over sticks and stones, we show our independence. When I make up my mind to get something done, it can take a lot of practice and be really fun. The sky's the limit when you have skills and drive. That is called ability, and we all have it inside. Sometimes it's not easy when trying something new. When it seems like it's too hard or just too much to do, it takes determination. That's what gets me through. We live on this planet together, and no matter what your name, we all have special value and should treat each other the same. That is called equality. In this series, words of empowerment like confidence, respect, and love are intertwined with real-life situations that kids can relate to. They will get so caught up in the stories that they won't even know they're learning important words and values along the way. The end. Thank you again for visiting Like, Love, Laugh Stories with me. Follow us on Facebook and YouTube. If you like these stories, share with the ones you love. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye, guys.